Americans Uncensored, Coffee Group, Country Table, update. I just did the wax on the first plank, and all it does is just kind of refresh and restore. It doesn't change. There's a board that's not waxed. The drawer has been waxed, and it doesn't change the color at all, but it does put some restoration back into the wood, and that's my goal without changing the actual look of this Victorian era table. Thanks for watching.